Hey guys, we are at Cypress Wood RV Park, and today we brought our food truck right here, and we usually don't see a lot of other trucks, but we do, and we made another new friend right here.
Fire Bread.
We made a friend with Miss Fire Bread. He has like sandwiches and stuff like that.
Sandwich.
Good. It was the garlic bread.
Like
And let's go check out that area over here.
Hello everybody, we are here in the Cypress Wood RV Resort. We are here with Mr. Bread, the Fire Bread sub. We met a new friend. Get refreshing drink.
We are at Cypress Woods RV Park, and we brought our food truck, and we have more drinks. As you can see, our stuff right here. Roti, then regular tea, the sealer, then stuff over here, the sink,